Hi class, this is Mrs. Bissot here. Now that you're done listening to the story, Bear Snores On, please take out your Wonders, Your Turn practice book and please turn to page 203, 203, and it looks like this. The first thing you do is write your name on top, so please write your name on top. I will write mine while you're writing your name. Mrs. Bissot. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's take a look at what they want us to do. For number one, point at number one and you have two pictures. Now it says, circle the picture that shows a character from Bear Snores On. Well, who was a character? Who was the story about? Was it about a dog that was sleeping? Or was it about a bear that was sleeping? Who was in the story? Hint, hint, the story is called Bear Snores On, and we see a picture of a bear. Very good. It was not about a dog. Cross off the dog and circle the bear that was in his den, sleeping. And when they're sleeping like this, it's called hibernating. He was hibernating. He was sleeping for the whole winter. Which brings us to the next set of pictures. Number two, point at number two. You have two pictures for number two, and it says, circle the picture that shows the setting from the story. Where did the story take place? Setting means where did the story take place? Did it take place in a forest in the winter? Or did it take place in this forest here that's in a sunny weather in the summer? Which one? Was it winter or summer? Where did the story take place? It took place here in a stormy winter forest. Very good. And that's why the bear was hibernating. They hibernate. Bears hibernate through the winter. They sleep. Okay, and now number three, it looks like we're going to be writing a sentence. And it says, write about what causes bear to wake up. Now remember, a lot of animals came to join Bear in his den while he was sleeping. But what woke him up? Let's take a look. If you don't remember, now a little mouse came and started a fire. That didn't wake him up. Then a hare came. This is called a hare. He's called a hare. Came and started popping popcorn and making tea. And those sounds also did not wake up the bear. Then we have the badger that came in and it brought a bunch of honey nuts and they were eating those. And that did not wake up bear. What woke up bear? Then a gopher and a mole came and a raven. A gopher, a mole, and a raven all came, and that also did not wake up the bear. They were even dancing along, having a good time, and nothing woke them up until they were cooking, and let's see, finally something woke them up. Hare stroked the fire, mouse seasoned stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear say, achoo! So what woke him up? The pepper fleck woke up the bear. Okay, so let's look at number three. And it says, write about what causes bear to wake up. And we figured it out. The pepper fleck makes him wake up. So we could say the or a. We'll say a pepper fleck. That's what it says here. Pepper fleck makes him wake up. Or we could say a pepper fleck wakes him up. Ooh, let's say a pepper fleck wakes him up. Ooh, that has 6 words. You think we could do it? I think we could do it. All right. Get your spacer. If you have a spacer, you need a spacer between words because we have a lot of words. Okay, so we're going to say a pepper fleck wakes him up. All right. A. How do we spell A? Just an A, and remember it's the beginning of a sentence, so we are going to start with a capital A. A. Reading dot. Put a space after A, and we're going to write pepper. And they wrote it here for us, pepper fleck. So we're just going to copy pepper. Make sure you have space. P, 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 e, p, e, p. Another P. Pep. And pepper actually has another P, an extra P. Makes E stay E. So it says pepper. Then we're going to have So it has a bossy R. It's going to have an E and an R. And that is how you spell pepper. Reading dot. A pepper fleck. So we have the word fleck here, and it's a word we can sound out. So I am going to try to squeeze it in here. You don't have room, write it down here, but you might run out of room, and then you could use this bottom line. A pepper fleck. So move your spacer over here behind the R if you're doing it up here. Fleck. F. L. E. And E. Fleck. And for this one, a C and the K makes a sound K. So we're gonna write it a C and a K. C and a K. A pepper fleck wakes him up. A pepper fleck wakes. So W. W. A. I hear an A. Wake. This is actually a K. We have a lot of letters that make the K sound. We have a C or a K or C and a K. But this one is just a K. Wake. So for A to say A instead of A, this needs a magic E. Otherwise it'll say wax him up. You want to say wakes him up, not a short vowel A. It needs to be wakes him up. Wakes. A pepper fleck wakes, move your spacer over, him. H, make sure you have your space, that you moved your space over. An I. M. And an M. Reading dot. All right. A pepper fleck wakes him up. Last space, move your space. Up. A U, a P, and a P. Period. Reading dot. Then reread your sentence. Make sure that you have all the words. A pepper fleck wakes him up. Great job. That was a long sentence. Thank you for working with me. I appreciate that you kept going and you're following along with me. I can't wait to see your beautiful worksheet, and I will work again with you later. Bye.